These query tools are without a doubt the most powerful and most flexible way to quickly get any answers to any questions about your business. Using these amazing tools, you can set any query conditions and then rearrange your results in a customizable grid and then save it all so your custom conditions and your custom grid view are all just a mouse click away. To see this in action, let's click the Queries sidebar group on the left side of the screen. And although there are a lot of queries to choose from, for this example, I will generate an event query. Now, as you probably know, every query allows you to establish certain parameters, choosing a date range, for example, or opting to exclude parties of certain statuses, or you could even take the set it and forget it approach where you establish your preferences here and then choose not to see this window in the future, so the next time I run this event query, the program will automatically establish these parameters and instantly give me my results. In this case, I'll click OK. And instantly, and it is instantly, I get the results of my query in a detail grid. Now, you probably know every grid can be customized. First of all, you can filter the results in any grid by floating your mouse cursor over any column heading, clicking the little filter option, and then selecting one or several checkboxes. Notice, by the way, when I establish a filter by using my grid columns, the program automatically applies that filter condition at the top of this window. Therefore, you can either filter a grid using the column headings, or you can click in the filter conditions area and choose from the dozens and dozens of filtering options. I'll get rid of this extra condition I've established, and let's continue customizing the grid view. Let's imagine for this example, I don't really need to look at any of the general details such as status or event theme or event category. However, I do want to add a couple of extra revenue details, specifically the amount paid and the outstanding balance. Furthermore, I'm going to do a right mouse click on the sales rep column and choose to group by that field. And now if I right click and expand all of these groups, you'll see as I scroll through the grid, I have the exact details I want, my revenue grouped by sales rep. Now, you might already know that at the top of every query window, you can choose to save the custom grid views you create, and you can also choose to save the custom filters that you create. But you might not know that the professional version offers an option called Layout, which allows you to save both the custom grid view and the custom filter together as one. I'll click the option Custom here. And as with custom filters and grid views, you could click the shared option to share this custom layout with your entire Catereez team. For our example, I'll just leave the user option selected to save this layout for me as a user. I will click the green plus sign to add a new layout, and I will give my new layout the title Closed Event Revenue Grouped by Rep. Now I'll save this change and I'll close this custom layouts window, and then I'll get out of this query so you can see exactly what we've accomplished. I'll go back to the event query button, and first of all, notice I no longer have to establish parameters because my preferred parameters of events this month, excluding statuses of canceled, are automatically established for me. And if I want, I can edit those parameters by clicking the SQL button on the right side of the window. Well, for this example, I'm going to click the Layout button and you'll see the new layout we created, Closed Event Revenue Grouped by Rep. If I choose it, not only does it apply my saved filter conditions, however many I might have, it also establishes my saved grid view. If I right-click here and choose to expand all these groups again, you'll see that once again I have all of my revenue grouped by sales rep. I can either print this grid out as a fully custom report, or I can right-click anywhere in the grid and export this exact data in this exact layout for use in some other software program. My custom details, my custom filter, my custom grid view, all just a mouse click away. No other program gives you the power and flexibility Catereez offers to track your important information. Using custom query conditions, you can establish what you want to look for, and then using custom grid views, you can establish what you want to look at. And with the powerful custom layout option, you can save both your custom conditions and your custom grid view so that the exact results you want are only a mouse click away. There's just no other program that's going to offer this kind of functionality, and that's why nothing else even comes close.